everyone, welcome back to Breaking News with me, Silva Azara. Today I will bring you reliable information. Here's the news and detail. Hong Kong and Singapore report COVID spike, new COVID-19 wave spreads in Asia. COVID-19 is making a comeback in part of Asia. Health authorities in Hong Kong and Singapore are warning of a sharp rise in cases as a new wave of infection spreads across the region. In Hong Kong, the situation is described as quite high in terms of virus activity. That's according to Albert O, who heads the Communicable Disease Branch of the City Center for Health Protection. Respiratory samples testing positive for COVID have hit their highest levels in a year. The same trend is seen in hospital data. Severe cases, including deaths, also reached their highest point in about a year. In the week ending May 3rd, the city reported 31 serious cases. Health experts say the virus is spreading actively again. That conclusion is based on increasing viral loads in sewage samples and a rise in COVID-related doctor visits and hospitalizations. Singapore is seeing a spike. The city-state's health ministry issued its first CO update in nearly a year. In the week through May 3rd, estimated infections jumped by 28% to 14,200 cases. Hospital admissions went up by about 30% in the same period. Next, we move on to the shocking news that happened in Russia. Two bridges collapsed. Two bridges collapsed in the Russian regions bordering Ukraine, derailing a train and killing at least 7 people and injuring dozens more. Russian authorities said 7 people were killed and 69 injured when a highway bridge collapsed onto railroad tracks, derailing a moving train in the Bryansk region on Saturday night. Russian Emergency Ministry and regional officials said that the BR bridge collapse was the result of illegal interference in transportation operations. Bryansk Governor Alexander Bogumaras said that 47 people were hospitalized, 3 children were among those injured and 1 was in serious condition. Among those killed was the locomotive driver. Russia's state news agencies reported citing medics. The train was going from the town of Klyovo to Moscow. Russian Railways said that the train collided with a collapsed bridge in the area of a federal highway in the Vogonitsky district of the Donetsk region, located about 100 kilometers from the border with Ukraine. The collapse in the Kursk region occurred early on Sunday while a freight train was crossing the bridge. That's the final news for today. Thank you for joining this morning's breaking news with me, Silva Azara. See you next time.